Hey everyone, Terry from SkinzTek here. Today we're going to watch this PPF install on this hood of this Tesla Model Y. So here we can see Eric is prepping the material. He's softening it with some hot water and then spraying some slip solution underneath. So now Eric's going to put some hot water here on the corner and try and tack that corner down. The reason he's going to try and do both corners are to be able to flatten out the film. In the industry they call glassing it out, to create a really smooth surface to be able to then squeegee down. Once the corners are tacked, Eric's going to prep the material by moving around some of the excess water that's still sitting underneath the film out of the way to get ready to squeegee. Before he squeegees, he's going to throw some water on top to make the surface more slick. And then he's going to start squeegeeing in the middle of the hood to create an anchor and make it easier for him to squeegee the rest of the hood. Here, if you look closely, you really notice those hydrophobic qualities of the film as the water droplets are just running off of the surface. Now that the film has been squeegeed down, Eric's going to go around to the edges and put some hot water. This is going to help the film adhere to the edges so that he is able to trim the film and then later wrap the edges around for full protection. So here Eric is cutting the material to be able to wrap the edges after the material has dried for a little while.